Well, here we go, guys. Welcome to the channel. Got an interesting one today. Fancy a little stealth camp. Be my first one. Let's go. Well, guys, right, so like I said a minute ago, we could do a little stealth camp. I've got a place in mind. It's not too far from where we are now. About a 5-10 minute walk. Is a private car park that looks onto a retail park, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I thought, let's do it. Why not? It's a bit busy right now, even though the time is 20 to 8. It's a little bit late. I waited a little bit for it to cool down a little bit, but it hasn't. It's still roasting. Yeah, it is a bit busy around here, and it's busy till quite late as well. So we see how we get on. I shall bring you guys back when we get nearer to the location. Right, guys, we will be shortly arriving to the spot where I'm looking to do the stealth camp. As you see, is the retail park just beyond them trees. Like I say, it's quite a busy road. So yeah, the place I'm looking to camp is just in front of us here. Where this building is, James Walker, I believe it's called. I had a little look there earlier on today, just to make sure it was doable. I think it is. Slightly risky. There's a couple of flats that look behind it. When people are in their windows, they'll be able to see into the car park, but I think we might just get away with this, possibly anyway. It is a private car park. It's got barriers on the entrance, so we'll see. I don't know if they have like night shift security or anything. I highly doubt it, but we'll soon find out. As you can see, guys, we're at the Lion Shopping Park. Still quite busy. Lots of cars in the car park. You've got a Pets at Home, an Audi's, an Asda's, Tappy Carpets, and I believe a Hobbycraft with a Costa. Don't know if I just said that, but yeah, there's a Costa there. So the place I'm looking to go is just over here where these barriers are. So I'm just going to wait here for a bit, let the traffic die down a little bit, and then make our move. Why not? Just waiting here, guys. Just pretend I'm on my phone. Checking messages. Right, here we go, guys. A full car. Never mind. Act natural. Right, guys, I'm going for it. Just gonna plod along, have a little walk in, see what is going on. So the car park is empty. It was quite packed earlier, I'm not gonna lie. I think it's a bit quiet. You've got a mate standing over there now, so I'm not quite sure what he's up to. Damn. So guys, we just turn away. Hello, we're just having a little video call on the phone, and we'll come back in a second when he's gone. So guys, bit of a situation. There is a couple of guys sitting on the benches in the corner of the car park. Unfortunately, where they are is one of the two places in the car park that I was going to camp. And the second place, you'd be able to see it from where they are. Just a thing that I've really wanted to do for a long time. So So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to hold off for a while. I've got the bag off my back. I think I'll have a beverage and just wait a little while, see if they disappear. Currently just in a couple of bushes in front of the actual building actually. To be fair, I could make camp here if I'm honest. Easy be able to get the tent up here. The only problem I've got is quite open. I'll show you that. So it's quite open, so you've got some bushes, ducked down, but you've got like a little walk path there that leads you to that side of the church. You've got a walk path straight ahead which leads you to the pavement, which is a bit exposed. And unfortunately I've got this open space here where you can see the cars coming up the ramp from the retail park. I think it's doable, but we will see. So I shall bring you guys back when I have a plan in action. Alright guys, that's the chair all set up. Like I said, I'm just going to hang about here for a minute. I'm going to have a couple of tins. And just wait patiently for him to go. Well, for them to go, because there's two of them there. I don't know if they're together, they're both just sitting on the bench. The only issue I've got is the office windows are there. Now this place closes at 5:30, so I'm hoping no one's still in there. Bit of CCTV on the wall over there, and then there's the actual CCTV from the retail park up there. So like I say, we're just gonna sit here, take it easy for a minute, have 1-2 tins, and hopefully we can get in. Catch you in a bit. Alright guys, let's try one of these, shall we? One of Aldi's specials. Lemonade flavour pale ale. It is 4.5%. Lovely. Let's give it a little go, shall we? Shall we crack it open? Let's do it. Give it a little test. It's not too bad. That's not too bad at all actually. It's quite nice, light, quite refreshing. What to do, guys? It's not going too well, is it, for the first video, for the first stealth camp? Been waiting ages for this, better late than never, like they say. At least I think that's what they say. So yeah. Do you know what? Depending how well this goes, I could just camp where I am. It's not too bad. It's quite open. It's soft ground, so I'll be able to peg the tent in, even though I wouldn't have to peg it in. It's not windy. It's absolutely roasting. It's not windy at all. It's still quite mild actually, and it's bang on 8 o'clock. So yeah. Once again, keep saying a lot, but bring you guys back in a bit. I'm just going to chill out, wait till I see if mateys disappear, and if they do, straight in. But then what's to say that no one else is going to turn up, because the only way into that car park is up that ramp where I am. A couple of people just walking on the pavement over there. Yeah, they're gone. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back. Right, so the mate is still around there. He hasn't moved at all. I don't know if he's a security guard because there seems to be a white van just to the left hand side of the car park, so I don't know if he's a security guard and he's just chilling outside because of how hot it is. I don't know. So, but I think I can make this home for tonight. So I think I can make this home tonight. It is quite cleanish. You know, there's not much mess. Dog muzzle though, a big dog muzzle. Quite worrying. But other than that, it's quite clean. I don't think many people really come in here because it is quite clean. You've got a can over there which I'll pick up when I leave because let's not litter, guys. It's not nice. It's not right. But, you know, I've got this nice little pitch here. The only See, the only problem I've got, guys, is the pavement's right there. And this is a busy retail park. It's got Mazda's, which is open till 11, and an Audi's also, which is open till 11. But I know Audi's do have a night shift, I believe. So there'll be people in there throughout the night. So, but you got an access through here. If you go left, there's a bush that you got to get over to get onto the pavement. And then you've got the same that side. It's a bush that you have to go over to get to the pavement. It's more that worries me because if we go there, duck down, keep it stealthy. Why I'm some stealth. Mission Impossible, baby. You know, you've got the ramp to the retail park there and the walk path, and it's quite open. And there's no bush, so people can just walk straight through there. And the other area that worries me is behind me. I've got to be careful. Cameras, smile, say cheese. Hello, guys. So, I'm just chilling still. The matey's not left. It's gone 8:30 now, so I'm committed to here now. Don't know if this is a fail or not, because where I originally planned I can't get to, but we are still outside the building. So at the moment it's still a success, possibly. Still a stealth camp outside the building. Yeah. Nearly finished this can. I must admit, it's quite nice, especially in this heat. Lemonade flavour pale ale. Let's have a little look, shall we? Zesty and bright, the citrus forward brew delivers a punch. A fresh lemon zest. Zesty. Notes and a hint of tartness. Bit of me, that. Balanced by a clean malt base. Crisp, slightly dry finish makes it a perfect first quencher. You're not wrong. I'll give you that. Not bad, guys. Cheers. Ah, beautiful. Ah, that's what it's all about. Oi. Cheers, guys. Another Audi special. 1897. I think it's a take on Kronenberg. What's Kronenberg? What's the logo for that? 1664? It's alright. It's alright. Not great, but we drink it. What percentage is it? 5%? Ooh. Cheeky, cheeky. Peace. Oh, it's a beautiful evening. It's still quite warm. In fact, it's very warm. Very, very warm. Not looking forward to tonight because I know it's going to be hot. It's alright. If I sleep, I sleep. If I don't, I don't. We'll soon find out. Just realising as well, I do love me a coffee in the morning, and I've come out without my milk. To be fair, guys, I might as well show you all my stuff because I'm not going to set my tent up until it's dark because I'm still not too sure about this. So I'm not going to put my tent up until it's dark, but I'll show you what I've got. So, got that, which is what I just spoke about. Got a melon medley, which I was going to have because it's quite warm and it's quite nice in the summer, having a bit of melon. So I don't know if I'll have that tonight. I probably will. I'll probably have it after the food, if I'm honest. We've got Uno. It's a game, innit? And then we've got this peach flavour pale ale, 4.2%. Tell you what, that lemonade one was quite nice, I'm not gonna lie. Could have done with more of them. Really refreshing. But we'll give this one a go in a minute, I think. Once I finish that tin, crack open this. Why not? Excuse me, Mark. What's what? Got some water for my coffee in the morning and for in the night. Also, maybe for the rice as well. And yes, guys, that's right. That's right. See that? Pride of London. Not wrong. Got some honey and lime cashews. Lovely jubbly. I've actually had these before, so I know they're pucker. In fact, I've had them many times, I'm not gonna lie. Can of Coke Zero. What's this one say? For all them ladies watching, you know it makes sense. Squashies, because I have a bit of a sweet tooth, you see. You don't get this by not eating sweet stuff. And this is sweet. And then I've got another Audi special. Anyone think I'm in love with Audis? Am I? Maybe. But anyway, we got Intenso Barista. I bought this one from home. It's kind of my go-to. I quite like it. I've tried the others like the Nescafe ones and what's the other brand? Mine's gone blank. But this is nice, guys. This is very nice indeed. And that's it. Right, guys, I've just come out of the camp just to see from a distance if anyone can see me. But do you know what? I'll say I'm pretty covered because I'm all the way over the back there, and no matter what way you look at, you can't really see. So might be in with a bit of luck. You can't even see my chair, which is pretty good. Anyway, guys, bring you back in a sec. Alright, guys, it's starting to quiet down a little bit now. Argos is shut, Hobbycraft's shut, Tappy Carpies is shut. It literally, Pets Home shut, so it just leaves Audi and Asda's. They both shut at 10. So it's 26 minutes past 9. I'm hoping once they're closed, obviously, Audi staff, the night shift will come. I don't know if Asda's have it, but I'm expecting come around 10 o'clock, half to 11. Need to be quiet. Just got to worry about behind me because it's all people still walk. There's quite a busy train station that way, so people are getting off the night train, getting off, coming down here. So yeah, let's cook some food. Let's get some scrumming. Let's do it. Why not? Right, let's get this sauce in. I think the rice is done. So there. Just go in the middle with the sauce. Just let that heat through, guys, and I'll bring you back in a bit. Peace. Right, guys, food's cooking. Oh, mind the tits. I'm a big bloke. Do apologise. So yeah, just letting that chicken cook through to make sure it's properly cooked. Cheers. Been back round the corner and that guy is still sitting in the exact same spot, so oh well. Right, guys, so that's food done. 10:15. What I'm going to do, I think I'll straighten up a little bit and then we go from mooches around the retail park. Just have a look around, see what's going on. There's a couple of cars left in the car park, but I think that's mainly for like Audi staff because the lights are still on. So yeah, but that food, it's gone down a treat. So guys, here we are. I don't know how much you can see, but the barrier is still up, so I don't think that closes, if I'm honest. That matey has gone from the car park where I originally wanted to do the stealth camp. I don't know where he's gone, but he's gone. Yeah. Here we are. Very quiet, no cars in sight. Got Costas there. Audi's over there. Pets at home there. Tappy carpets, Hobbycraft. Argus. And then Asda's is next to it. Can't really see it though. But yeah. So, I shall put the light on or not? Probably be too bright. Ah! Sorry guys. Yeah, I'll stand there. So yeah, so I think we get away with this one, if I'm being honest. Took me a bit of time to put the tent up. I've only had a couple of practice runs with it in the back garden. So, but it took me a while, but I've done it. Might just get a pop-up tent, 20-30 quid, put it out the back, wash, done. Because that was hard work. Yeah, so like I say, how these lights are on, there are colleagues in there because I can see them. I won't put the camera on them because I don't want them to say, oh, someone's filming outside, call the police or whatever. But yeah, here we go. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy this, guys. I'm gonna get in the tent and get some shut eye because it is currently 11 o'clock. And even though I'm off work tomorrow, I still have another job to do, which is being a dad. So I've got the school run in the morning. So I'm going to get up nice and early. I'm going to set my alarm clock for 5. Get up, get home, get showered, and get ready to take the kids to school. So yeah, I shall bring you guys back when I'm back at camp. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Welcome back, guys. We are at camp. Last time I spoke to you guys, I was having a little wander around the car park. It's a bit later on than that now. I had to charge up the phone. It was quite low, it was only like 20%, but we are back to 100. Woohoo. It is currently 10 to 12. It's still very hot. Right, guys. It is currently 10 past 12. I'm gonna go catch some Zeds now. I'm feeling pretty tired. Don't know how much sleep I'll get though. It's very warm. The old hay fever's playing off for some reason. But yeah, I shall catch you guys in the morning. Bright and early. See you in a sec. Morning, everyone. 10 past 4. Oh, that was rough. Absolutely roasted all night. Woke up 3-4 times. That as well. Still traffic, not traffic, but still a bit lively on the roads throughout the night as well. Let's have a little look outside. Catch you in a bit. Alright guys, so this was camp for the night. To be fair, it wasn't that bad. Woke up a couple of times. I needed a slash. Woke up 3-4 times due to the noise of the traffic, or just how hot it was. Mainly how hot it was, if I'm honest. It wasn't actually that bad on the roads, but there was cars still moving. And these as well, these coaches were coming past all night long. All night, every like half hour, an hour. We've done it, guys. We are all packed away. We're ready to get out of here. Weren't too bad, actually. Weren't too bad at all. Think I've got to get used to, I suppose, isn't it? But yeah, just want to say a massive thank you for those that have stuck through the whole video and watched. Sorry if it's not been as exciting as you'd hope. I think it went alright for the first time, but we'll see what the next one brings, eh? I'll just show you where I was. Uno momento. There's the bag, guys. Bag with all the gear in, bag with all the rubbish in. This is where we was pitched. Not too shabby. I've picked up them little bits of litter, the can that was there, that dog mask, thrown them in to the bag, go put that in the bin. So yeah, like I say, guys, if you want to give us a like or subscribe, mainly, be much appreciated. Don't feel like you have to, like I said before, but it would be muchly appreciated. Until next time, peace.